I've got in the studio today Mike Edwards. He's the owner of Souse Steam Carpet Cleaning, and if you've watched the show, you've seen him on there over and over again telling you how he does it. But I brought him into the studio because I have a few more questions. We're all a little concerned about getting it clean and keeping things clean, very clean, and killing germs in the house. And how about the carpet, where all our feet have walked all over town and now in our carpet? Mike, Souse and Steam, what is Souse and what is Steam, and how do those two go together?
Well, the steam's pretty self-explanatory there. About 240 degrees on the steam. Not much is going to survive that as far as germ-wise and all that. The Souse is my pre-spray. I pretty much use a soap-free, detergent-free, basically a simple bonding agent. I can boost it up with the enzymes depending on what kind of carpet you got. Not so much on the natural fibers. Cotton, wool, silk, things like that.
So it's a custom Souse, depending.
Absolutely.
When you come in and you visit with your client, you see what kind of traffic they've had, or pets and activity in the house, and then what kind of carpet and flooring it is, and then you can mix that up. The perfect Souse, you put that in the machine, and then when you bring it in, you steam it, and judging by the way the steam comes off of the little thing that goes on the floor, I think that's called the wand. Yeah. After the steam comes out of your magic wand, that looks hot. Tell us a little bit more about the steam.
Yeah, 240 degrees.
Yeah, that's
about average what I get.
Stuff.
Yeah, I'm not sure what is going to survive that process.
But can't guarantee that it won't kill everything, but gosh, 240 degrees.
That with my pre-spray, with an antimicrobial and germicide and all that.
That's Souse Steam Carpet Cleaning. Go ahead and give Mike a call and get your appointment set up. He is taking appointments for this month, and as soon as he's able to get in your house and clean your carpet, you can be one of the first ones to be Souse and Steamed this April. Thanks, Mike.
Thank you. We'll see you soon.